Viewers, today we are talk about Alan Gray. Alan Gray is renowned French illustrator, graphic designer, and children's author whose vibrant and timeless works have digited generation of young readers. Born on 21st July 1936 in France, Gray's creative journey began early in life, marked by a deep passion for art and storytelling. Gray's formal education in the arts took place at the prestigious École des Arts Appliqués and the Beaux Arts de Paris. This institution provided him with a solid foundation in various artistic disciplines, allowing him to hone his skill and develop a distinctive style. His education was instrumental in shaping his approach to illustration and design, characterized by clean line, bold colors, and a sense of simplicity and appeal to young mind. In the late 1950s, Alan Gray began his career in advertising, working as an art director for major French advertising agencies. However, it was his transition to children's literature in the 1960s that truly defined his legacy. His first book, L'Imigre de l'Amour, published in 1962, showcased his talent for creating engaging and educational content for children. The book's success marked the beginning of a prolific career that would see him author and illustrator over 300 children's books. Gray's works are celebrated for their ability to combine education with entertainment. His illustrations are often accompanied by simple, clear text that helps young readers understand complex concepts. His books cover a wide range of subjects, including nature, animals, vehicles, and everyday life. This diversity reflects his curiosity and his desire to spark the same curiosity in children. One of the hallmark of Alan Gray's work is his use of vibrant colors and bold graphic shapes. His illustrations are instantly recognizable, characterized by their careful and inviting style. This visual approach not only captures the attention of young readers but also aids in their connective development by presenting information in a visually stimulating manner. Gray's influence extended beyond his books. In the 1970s, he created a series of educational posters and board games, further establishing his role as an educator through art. His design of these products maintains the same playful and informative quality found in his books, making learning an enjoyable experience for children. Throughout his career, Alan Gray has received numerous accolades for his contribution to children's literature and illustration. His works have been translated into multiple languages, allowing his reach to extend far beyond the border of France. This international recognition underscores the universal appeal of his art and storytelling. In addition to his work, an illustrator and author, Gray has also ventured into other creative fields. He has designed album covers, illustrated magazines, and even worked in television. His versatility as an artist is a testament to his bundles creativity and his ability to adapt his style to different mediums while maintaining his signature aesthetic. As he continues to create, Alan Gray remains a beloved figure in the world of children's literature. His dedication to producing high quality educational and visually captivating content has left an indelible mark on the industry. His books continue to be cherished by new generation by readers, ensuring that his legacy will endure for years to come. In conclusion, Alan Gray's life and work are celebration of creativity, education, and the joy of discovery. His contribution to children's literature have not only entertained but also educated countless young minds. His sensitive style and commitment to quality have solidified his place as one of the most influential children's authors and illustrators of his time. Here are some highlights of his famous artworks and their exploration. Children's books. Greece is most famous for his children's books, which often further educational themes and colorful illustration. Some of his well known books include Les Animaux, Les Arbres, and Les Matters. These books cover a range of topics from animals and nature to various professions and are designed to educate young readers through engaging visual and simple text. Les Amigos, one of Grie's most popular series, is Les Amigos, a collection of illustrated dictionaries of children's. These books help children learn new words and concepts through detailed and whimsical illustration. This series covers various themes such as animals, vehicles, and daily life. Illustration style. Grie's illustration style is characterized by its bright colors, clean lines, and playful composition. His artwork often includes detailed scenes filled with charming characters and intricate details, making his books visually appealing to both children and adults. Poster and educational material. In addition to books, Gree has also created educational posters and materials for schools. These posters often feature his signature style and cover topics such as the alphabet, numbers, and basic scientific concepts. International influence. Alan Gree's work has been translated into multiple languages and published worldwide, making his educational materials accessible to children across different cultures. His influence extends beyond France, and his books continue to be cherished by generations of readers. Alan Gree's contribution to children's literature and education is immense, and his artwork remain timeless, capturing an imagination of young readers. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.